Hello, my dear. How are you?
I'm good.
You're so small.
Thank you.
On cameras, you look good. Hi. How are you? I saw you doing homework. I saw you doing homework. You're doing homework with mom? Huh? Thank you very much. How are you, my friend? Habari yako? Uko salama? Omanyala?
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Uko salama? Karibu. Karibu sana. And congratulations.
Almost. Yani kidogo hivi. It was like 0.0 what?
0.0 mingi hapo.
Yes. So in Hungary, we are beefing you up.
Yes. Please.
In Budapest. Yes.
You better.
Yes.
You better.
It also goes along. We have the Olympics next year.
So we can build it into the Olympics. It
Yes.
will be very good.
Yes.
Oh, indeed.
Yes.
Yes.
But I was still young, and I want the gold medal. Really.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very good. Congratulations, Faith. Sasa uko na mahali ya kuishi Nairobi.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I say something?
Yeah, say something. She wants to say something.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. President. I'm so happy with the reward. Now I can own a house in Nairobi. I was not expecting today, is the truth. And with the money, I can say now I can buy my father a car. I promised him when I was going to break a world record that I'm going to buy a car for him. So now I can fulfill my promise. Thank you so much.
Call upon Honorable Ababu Namu.
World Championships Moscow in 3,000 meter steeplechase. Then we have Geoffrey Kamworor. Geoffrey Kamworor is a track record holder, but currently he's running marathon. And we have Ferdinand Omanyala. I want to introduce him.